What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? George or Regen here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Welcome back to the channel. Now, in this video, I'm going to be explaining how to get a subathon or marathon timer on your Twitch live streams. If you guys don't know what this is, it's basically when people donate or they subscribe or support you financially on Twitch, there is something called a subathon. And what that is the more amount that people donate or gift or subscribe, anything along those lines, the timer will actually increase. The timer is set at whatever number you would like. It is set on the screen wherever you would like. And basically what it does is it shows the viewers how long until the Twitch stream actually ends. Now, people can torture you by donating more and making the stream go on and on and on. And I'm going to be breaking down and showing you exactly what to do and what website can provide this link. So if you guys check the description down below, you're going to see a website called Marathon Timer. You guys can just click that and set it up. I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to screen record everything, and I'm going to show you how to go through it and how to set everything up for your Twitch page. You're going to want to go to this website here, marathontimer.com/user. Okay, link's going to be in the description down below. Basically, what this website does is it allows you to set up a widget on, if you're streaming on OBS or OBS Streamlabs, okay, Streamlabs OBS, Slobs or OBS, you're going to be able to use this right here. Now, what this allows you to do is put the timer and set everything up on this website. Then you're going to go on OBS and actually add a browser source. I'm going to show you how to do that after. Now, if you guys don't know anything of what I'm talking about, okay, if you don't stream on OBS, if you don't use Streamlabs OBS, and you just play on your Xbox or your PlayStation, or you just like stream from a console, you're not going to be able to do this. This is like someone that actually understands streaming, uses a PC, uses OBS, etc., etc. Now, if you're going to want to set up a timer, basically there's going to be a bunch of different settings. Depending on how big you are as a streamer, you're going to want to change these accordingly, okay? Because if you don't have these set properly, you're not going to be able to actually stream a marathon or a subathon effectively. Now, I felt like I did my first subathon yesterday, and it went very, very well, and I felt that the amounts were very appropriate. Firstly, if you want actual dollar, like PayPal donations to count, I would strongly recommend connecting your Streamlabs, okay? If not, then you ignore this top one right here. Secondly, what I have is every $1 donated is 2 minutes added to the timer. Every 100 bits, which is equivalent to $1 American US dollar, is 2 minutes added to the timer. I also include gifted subs. I feel like that's appropriate. And then here, new subs and resubs I have is the exact same numbers. You guys can make it less or more depending on how frequently you're donated to or how long you want to stream for. This here is just if you want to manually add time during the timer already being into effect, so I wouldn't worry about that too much. Set timer, this is basically what amount of time you're going to have the timer started at. And then this is going to be the maximum amount of time that can be added to the timer. If you have, if you're starting, okay, for example, to make things easy, if you're starting at 5 hours and you want to have a maximum of a 15-hour stream, you're going to do 5 hour start with a 10-hour maximum of added, okay? So that's 15 hours max. If you want a 24-hour stream, for easy math, you're going to start that at 4 hours, and people can simply donate up to 20 hours worth of added time. If that makes sense, I really hope it does. If it doesn't, feel free to comment, hit me up on social media. I can answer any questions always. Font settings. This is somewhat important. It just basically changes the color of the text, what type of font you want, blah, 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 and the size of the font. Like I said, connect Streamlabs, timer widget. This is the important part. Okay, so for this bit, what you're going to want to do is just click this and then copy it, okay? So after you copy this link, this is going to be basically the widget that allows you to get the timer on your stream. Now, this is going to look kind of trippy here because I have my OBS overlaid, okay? So you're basically seeing everything right here. I know it looks trippy, but just bear with me here. Okay, what you're going to want to do is, although I already have it here, I'm going to add another one just to show you what's going on, okay? So you're going to want to go to add, go to browser, then you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it test. Then from there, simply just in the URL, paste exactly what that link was. Once it's pasted, you're gonna see a timer pop up. That is exactly what the timer is from right here in the font settings, the color, and all of that. Now, if you want to change it, you simply just change the font, change the size, change the color, etc., etc. You get to move it around, do everything you would like there. If there's any other things you want to change with it, you can go into the not the properties, my apologies. You can go into the filters and add any of these filters that you would like. It's totally up to you. And like I said, if you need to manually add time for whatever reason after you start, feel free. And make sure every single time you start the stream, just literally as soon as you start the stream, just press set timer so it changes exactly as you start the stream. And simply from there, as soon as someone donates, as long as you have your Twitch link to it, you will literally be running a Subathon marathon. And it is the most fun thing I think I've done ever on Twitch so far. It is super exciting, and it was a great experience for me. Anyways, guys, I really hope that covered the basics. If there is any questions, like I said, feel free to comment below. I'm not amazing with tutorials, but I try to get the point across. I understand everything. I'm just not a great teacher. So if there is anything, please comment down below. Hit me up on social media. Links in the description all down below. And like I said, I'm going to link this marathon timer thing in the description down below as well. I hope you guys have a great day. If you enjoyed the content, either this video or any of the other videos, feel free to subscribe. Welcome to Regen Nation, and much love to the viewers. This is Regen or George signing out, guys. Peace.